Hey everybody, welcome back to our online art class here with the Art Source. Today we're going to be showing you how to make these foil sculptures, which are really cool because they're super easy to make, and it's kind of like making your own action figure at home, and you're only going to need a few supplies, like a sheet of foil that's about a foot long, a pair of scissors, a felt tip marker, and something with a straight edge just so we can get nice straight lines on this foil. So now that we have our supplies, let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to divide the foil on the top into 3 parts, and we can just go maybe half the length of the index card. So we'll make a straight line right here, and then another one right here. And then on the bottom of the paper, we're going to put another straight line in between those two that we already did. Okay, and now that we have our lines drawn out to divide the paper, we're going to go ahead and cut along those lines that we made the mark on. So we're going to take this up just a bit, not all the way, not halfway, just a little bit. That's good, and then we can flip over our foil and cut along the divisions that we made up here as well. Actually, I can take this down a little further. So we're just going to make another cut right here. And then we're going to put this back over the top. And so to start making our figure, we're going to start with the legs. Don't worry if it doesn't look like a figure right away. The foil is really easy to work with and to mold it into how you want. So we're going to start in this right bottom corner, and we're just going to pinch the foil together. Just so we get that leg shape. And we're going to flip the bottom up to mold that foot. And we can leave it like this so we can move on to the other leg. We will come back to it and just clean it up. And we're going to push these ends together like we did on the other side. We're going to bring them in. And then we're going to bring the bottom up to form that foot. And as you can see, we already have 2 legs looking here. And then we're going to do the same exact thing with the arms. So we're going to take both ends and pinch them together. And then on the end, we'll make a little ball for the hand. We're just going to leave that and do the same to the other side. We're going to push these ends in together and then make the ball on the end. And bring them in again. And now we're starting to look more like a body. We're going to go ahead and do the torso by pushing these sides in together. And then same thing, we're going to bring the head by just rolling this down into a ball. And then same thing with the edges, we're going to kind of bring it in. And we're going to roll this down. And now that we kind of have the body, we're just going to go ahead and clean it up. So we're going to bring this in a little more, create that foot, squeeze this in a little more, and create a foot on this side as well. Bring in the torso so it looks like it's together. And we're going to pinch the arms closer and bring it in like that so it looks like an arm. We can make him kind of flexing, and we'll bring down right here, pinch together. And then that'll be his arm. It's kind of up in the air. And then just kind of straighten out this leg. And there you have it. There is your foil sculpture. You can even take your felt tip pen and maybe draw a face on him just to give him more character. My pen's kind of running out, but you get the idea. So anyways, this is your art lesson for today. Don't forget to tag us when you try this out. And thank you so much for watching. We'll have more videos coming next week. Bye.